Shaira, are you okay? Not angry, not hungry. Good?
Yes, I'm full.
Full? Nice. Hotel, restaurant. This is hotel and restaurant. Lighthouse. Walk, walk to Baretta.
Oh, it's so far.
Да, it's okay. 1 hour only.
Oh,
1 hour. It's okay, 1 hour.
what's the useless of my food if I walk for 1 hour?
You want again it?
No?
No, if you walk 1 hour, you want it again.
Yes.
Okay. No, today really good weather.
I need to appreciate the food, okay? That's why I need to...
No, we're going to the Baretta, to the beach. Ali, you rent.
MashaAllah.
That's why I said it.
Ali, I want to ask you. You rent with a car. How you rent?
No, it's not rent. It's by friend.
You take your
Yeah, it's a
friend.
rent car. Some people here, they buy 4 car. Or they buy 4 car, for example. Payment, monthly payment. That's a credit.
Okay.
And they rent it. But they rent it by friends only.
But they have insurance, all have.
They have insurance, they have everything.
Full insurance, so no
The
problem.
good things here, I'm not respond. The guy who I rented, he is respond. No deposit.
So it's your friend? Or not?
It's my friend, he rented from one friend.
Okay.
Yeah, but
Filipina.
the Filipino. That guy, he have 4 cars for rent. But unknown people, like, he knows them.
Okay.
That's it. But the good things here, just the key.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
And no deposit.
Very
No
good. If
deposit.
don't have deposit, it's very
No,
good.
not deposit, nothing. Just when you finish, just handle the key. That's it.
No, good. This is new Fortuner. Yes, it's new. No, same hour. It's a G model. We have V model. This is G model. Different, little bit different. Same diesel.
You can rent
public beach.
You can rent a cabin, right?
Yes. Arizona.
Yeah, Arizona.
I stay one day.
The famous one is Wild Orchid here.
Wild Orchid.
But
I
now
never been.
It's old now. And Wild Orchid and Center Park.
But have also new.
New Center Park?
No, new hotel have.
Really?
Yes.
I didn't see that one.
Have new big hotel.
And night so quiet here.
The night don't have light. I don't know.
Here only the beach is nice. Okay, but that's what I don't like. But what I like the one is Beach Moon. The coffee there, the restaurant there, walking street there. They're so nice, really. The view also there is very beautiful. Here only the beach. But there in the Moon Beach you cannot swim there.
No, better go to the Maroon Bataan.
This is the
This
center.
Central Park Reef. It's new hotel. Maybe 3 years ago we built.
And that hotel is new. See?
Yeah,
That
this
house.
one. Why we see it's old? But this is hotel is new.
We will go to the Wild Orchid. There, we park there, Peter.
Yeah.
The oldest one. Because we can... The view is there is so nice, really. Where is Angeli Bakari?
I don't know. What I seen before. And McDonald's also open. Jollibee McDonald's now open here in Baloy Beach. This turn left, it's Baloy Beach already. Yes, this one.
It's old, it's very old.
We just arrived Wild Orchard Hotel and we going to the beach. Shaira, you okay? Shaira, makeup? Not so many makeup, okay, Shaira? Shaira want always so many makeup, but I don't
Not
want.
so many makeup.
Okay, if not want so many, it's okay.
It's normal for a girl. to be ugly.
That even you don't have wake up is good looking always. What problem?
Who said?
I say it. It's important if I say it, not another people. You know. Don't worry about if what saying other people. You just listen to me, okay? Okay, Shaira. Ali, I'm right about he won't.
Man always right.
Okay.
When?
All the time. Always say the man is right.
Это он. Oh, billiard for Georgi also. Good. Hi. Hi. Oh, good. Swimming pool, good. Okay, first. Yeah, good. Old hotel, but nice place.
Ito mo ang ganda nun.
Ali, if you fall down, not need take shower.
The money, the credit card, everything.
A credit card, it's okay, money also, you can drive. But your clothes wet. But I have in my backpack clothes.
Which bank do you use the credit card?
I?
Yeah, you. Filipino or Russia?
China.
China.
Yes, I have Chinese cards. Yeah. For me, because my business in China, that's why for me better Chinese card. We going to a restaurant.
Is that doing something here?
Hi?
Shoes or something? It's open. Wow.
Oh, fresh air.
Yes. A long time I not been again.
No, maybe not long time, 1 year maybe.
You wanna go Ferris? We go walk in the beach.
Okay, walk
And
it.
we come back here.
Yeah, okay. Это here. I already take picture you, Shaira.
See the ship? American ship?
Yes, American
Yeah,
Navy.
that one for. This is American. It's
Yeah.
like for maintenance or something like that one.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, it's. You see now the place I show you Ferris. It's land there. I mean, doing that. Now it's going. I think in the way they gone.
Mhm.
This ship is still all the time here. It's American.
Good, fresh air. Not
It's
hot.
not the same in what is this in Thailand.
So what?
Thailand, it's so hot, and there, if you walk in the road because it's near in the beach, it's so what is this? It's so sticky, you know, sticky.
Shaira, different humidity, you know.
Why?
Because, but now it's little bit same because every day rain in the Philippines. And infrastructure in Pampanga better. No, thank you, no. I have already. This name is what, Cuba?
Kubo.
Cubo. Cubo.
That's a original house.
Cubo.
Type of house. So many what is this type of house here in the Philippines? Have bamboo, have ceramic.
Ceramic house?
What?
I don't know. What ceramic house have?
No ceramic?
No, it's not ceramic. Shaira, in the Philippines maybe don't have ceramic.
Some stones.
No stones maybe, not ceramic. Ceramic maybe is expensive for build. Shaira says ceramic houses in the Philippines. I never see.
Ceramic, I mean, you mean the floor?
Maybe in the floor, Shaira, tiles, but not house ceramic.
Ceramic, they put ceramic. will be often in the summer. Often, because you know ceramic ceramic is the best to resist the heat.
Mm-hmm.
You know the shuttles and all the shuttles will go to the space. They cover it by ceramic.
What is this? Crab? Da, crab everywhere.
Very small. That's
Small crab.
I've been in Pangasinan with my co-workers before with McDonald's,
Uh-huh.
and maybe it's already night. We find some big crab and we eat it.
Big crab? Boil?
No, we grilled it.
Ah, grilled.
Grilled it. Ay,
It's okay.
pumunta na already.
all of them they float. They float from together. This is the first that happened now. What about the second? Oh, very funny.
Ice cream? Shaira, it's ice cream, yes?
They said
No,
it's
no,
some
thank you.
lettuce. It's some lettuce.
You can wait.
I can wait.
Another resort.
That blue rock. Long time ago, they have nice steak here. Nice restaurant.
Ah, and this restaurant.
And the chief is American.
Uh-huh.
I don't know now. It's long time ago. I think everything is changed now.
Maybe 10 years ago I eat in
Yeah,
this
yeah,
restaurant.
yeah.
The live band also inside.
In night it was so full.
Yeah,
So full.
so-
And they have the best steak.
Mm-hmm.
And they have you know what I tried there inside? Dolphin steak.
Dolphin?
Dolphin steak.
Oh. No, I want to try to go to up.
Really? You
No,
can?
yes, I can. It's okay. If slowly, just a little bit. You can wait me. I'm faster.
No, I can also. You wanna see?
Okay.
I can.
But maybe not allowed. I don't know.
Keep out, dangerous. No,
Uh-huh.
they said keep out, dangerous. I don't. Let me check first. If there's something inside or not.
Maybe for sale this resort. Yes, can. It's okay. Go up is easy, but go down maybe not easy.
No, nothing is up. See?
Uh-huh.
Nothing. Yeah, nothing. And the mall is beautiful.
Uh-huh. Oh, good view here, yeah?
So nice.
Oh, really dangerous here.
Yeah, so dangerous.
And this way maybe, but no,
there is no way.
better not go.
Yeah, and this is another beach.
Uh-huh. And pier, this one pier, it's public beach. And Arizona also. You can
There
see.
is Arizona here, the hotel.
Yeah, yes. Arizona hotel is.
Center Park, not this one.
Uh-huh, yeah.
See the Center Park hotel. But really nice here if you sit in the night or in the early morning,
Mm-hmm.
or you sit here and with the breeze, so beautiful here.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
Uh-huh. Ali, you go down, need to take care. More careful, you know.
I know.
Because it's slide. Now it's okay, not wet, but better.
Don't worry about me. Use your hand here, see?
Uh-huh.
No. This one.
Yes, it's okay, not slippery. Not slippery, but need to slowly.
Because I have a spine problem.
Yes, you slowly.
Yeah. No, I just be careful.
You can?
I can, easy. Finish.
Here, step
Yeah,
here,
step.
step here.
Step it. That's it.
And here.
And here, easy.
Easy, yes. Easy because not wet. If wet, better not go.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Mango only have. You don't want mango?
Mango without sugar. Natural.
Do you have mango without sugar?
Without sugar.
Without sugar mango.
Mango lang sugar.
Yung alam yung fruit lang.
Yung kulay green. Fruit lang, ma'am. The fresh one. I think a mistake. I think a mistake here.
It's good here.
Yes.
For me, ah.
Smoking area.
My room before here. My room there.
Your room?
No, I rent here also. I rent 1 week. Every time I come.
Moby, what is that?
Moby Dick. That's you don't know the story of Moby Dick?
Oh, I do.
The white whale.
Ah.
You know the white whale, they try to kill him and he never died.
Ah.
They catch him wild.
The big one?
Yeah, the white one.
Oh.
It's an old classic movie.
I can watch, but I'm not remember their title.
It's not in your, not in your time, like in my time. Before Shaira, in the 70s, we don't have entertainment for our child. Our entertainment was, ask your father. That's school hits.
What?
TV. TV and
Ah, for us before also TV, but
TV. And playing soccer. We love playing soccer.
in Philippines, basketball,
Yeah,
billiard.
yeah. Now, everybody you will leave it and what about here?
Use phone, but most of the young people right now, the guy people, they go to basketball.
Yeah, I saw basketball court everywhere.
We're going to Pampanga right now from Subic.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat. Very good.
Oh, interesting. They put Fortuner logo Lexus. My favorite car is Lexus LX. Interesting.
It's Fortuner, right?
It's Fortuner only they put logo Lexus. TRD and Lexus all together.
Let's see.
It's Fortuner. Same Fortuner. Are you tired, Shira? Not? Tired. I cold.